everyone and welcome back to Literature Shiksha. My name is Tanisha Jaiswal and I have two great news for you all. First, I have received this parcel and I'll be doing its unboxing later in this video. Second, I and Akshita Lotekar aka Doodling Moods are organizing a giveaway together. The giveaway starts today 26 January 2023 and it will end on 31st January 8 p.m. In this video, I have given all the information on how you can participate in this giveaway. So make sure you watch this video till end so you don't miss any step. 5 lucky winners will receive gifts from Doodling Moods, and if you want to see the prize of this giveaway, stay tuned. So without further ado, let's get started.
I received this parcel from Doodling Moods, which came in a sturdy cardboard box to protect it from any damage. For further protection, the envelope was wrapped with plastic foil. The packaging was really cute. The envelope was printed with cute animal illustrations which are made by Akshita herself. Also, there is a little sticker of a deer. It's really pretty. All these animal illustrations are made with so detail and they are so cute and so pretty. In this envelope, we get a Christmas card, notepads or scribble pads and a desk calendar. The quality of these scribble pads is very good. It is made of high quality paper. The theme of the calendar is forms of life. The calendar has some very cute illustrations of animals. It is very classy and each month represents a different creature, a different form of life with its own uniqueness and detail put in by Akshita. This classic white desk calendar is very helpful for people who open their mobile phones to just see date and then end up wasting their hours. And once the year is over, you can always make a beautiful collage from these illustrations. So it's a win-win situation.
You can also win this beautiful desk calendar and cute notepads by just following some simple steps to participate in this giveaway. First, you have to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the bell button so you never miss an update whenever I post a video. Second, you have to follow Literature Shiksha and Doodling Moods on Instagram and share our giveaway post on your story and tag us. Also, for bonus points, mention your 3 friends in the comment section who would like to win away this giveaway. And this is all you have to do to win this gorgeous prize. And that's all about this video. Thank you.